Welcome to aminacademy.com. In discrete mathematics, let us discuss about types of binary trees. Types of binary tree based on the number of children. There are three types on the trees basis on number of children. Here, full binary tree, degenerate binary tree, and skewed binary tree. Next one, we'll discuss about full binary tree. A binary tree is a full binary tree if every node has 0 or 2 children. Here, look at this full binary tree. Every node have 0 children or 2 children. Here, this node 18 have 0 children, there is no children, and node 8 have 2 children. Here, this is a full binary tree. Now, the following are examples of the full binary trees here. We can also say a full binary tree is a binary tree in which all nodes except leaf nodes have 2 children. Next is degenerate or pathological tree. A tree where every internal node has one child. Such tree are performance-wise same as linked list. A degenerate, a pathological tree is a tree having a single child either left or right. Here, this left or right having single child here. Look at here, here there is no child, only dot here. So the 3 have single child, 5 have a single child as 7, like it is. Skewed binary tree. A skewed binary tree is a pathological or degenerate tree in which the tree is either dominated by the left nodes or the right nodes. Thus, there are two types of skewed binary tree, left skewed binary tree and right skewed binary tree. Here, these are left skewed binary tree, this is a right skewed binary tree. That means each parent have a child. Types of binary tree on the basis of the completion of levels. Due to completion of the levels, there are three types of binary trees are there. First one, complete binary tree, perfect binary tree, and balanced binary tree. A complete binary tree. A binary tree is a complete binary tree if all the levels are completely filled except possibly the last level, and the last level has all keys as left as possible. A complete binary tree is just like a full binary tree but with two major differences. That is, every level must be completely filled. All the leaf elements must lean towards the left. Like the last leaf elements must not have a right siblings. That is, a complete binary tree does not have to be a filled binary tree. Complete binary tree does not have a full binary tree. Next is perfect binary tree. A binary tree is a perfect binary tree in which all the internal nodes have 2 children and all leaf nodes are the same levels. All the leaf nodes are the same level and all the internal nodes have 2 children. A perfect binary tree is always a perfect binary tree is a type of binary tree in which every internal node has exactly 2 child nodes and all the leaf nodes have the same level. All the leaf nodes have the same level. Look at here. Here, a perfect binary tree, the number of leaves node is the number of internal nodes plus 1. That is, look at here, L equal L plus 1, where capital L is number of leaf nodes and L is number of internal nodes. A perfect binary tree of height h, where the height of the binary tree is the same number of edges in the longest path from the root node to any leaf node in the tree. Height of the root node is 0 here. Balanced binary tree. A binary tree is a balanced if the height of the tree is O, that is log n, where n is the number of nodes. For example, the AVL tree maintains O, that is log n, heights by making sure that the difference between the heights of the left and right subtrees is at most 1. Red black trees maintains O, that is log n, height by making sure that the number of black nodes on every root to leaf paths is the same and that there are no adjacent red nodes. Balanced binary tree. Search tree are performance wise good as they provide O, that is log n times for search, insert and delete. Okay, this is a balanced binary tree with depth at each level indicated. Here depth is 0, here also depth is 0, here depth is 1. For unbalanced binary tree with depth at each level indicated. Here depth 2, here depth 1, here depth 0, depth 0. For this balanced binary tree, depth of a node is equal height of the left child minus height of the right child. Height of the left child minus height of the right child is the depth of node. Here, depth of node is unbalanced binary tree, depth of node equal to height of the left node child minus height of the right child. It is a type of binary tree in which the difference between the height of the left and the right subtree for each node is either 1 or 0. Some special types of trees. On the basis of node values, the binary tree can be classified into the following special types: binary search tree, AVL tree, red-black tree, B tree, B plus tree, segment tree. Below image shows the important special cases of binary tree. Here, binary tree of special cases have binary search tree like AVL tree and red black tree. You have to remember this. Binary search tree. Binary search tree is node based binary tree data structure that has the following properties. Binary search tree is like the left subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys lesser than the node's key. Here two, here one node, two leaves here, one leaves here. The left and right subtree each must also be a binary search tree. Next is binary search tree. Look at here, this is a binary search tree figure. And AVL tree. AVL tree is a self-balancing binary tree search tree, that is BST, where the difference between the heights of the left and right subtrees cannot be more than one of all nodes. Example of AVL tree shown below. The below tree is AVL because the difference between the heights of left and right subtrees for every node are less than or equal to 1. Here, red-black tree. A red-black tree is a kind of self-balancing binary search tree where each node has an extra bit, and that bit is often interpreted as the color red or black. These colors are used to ensure that the tree remains balancing during insertion and deletions. Next is a red-black trees here like B tree. A B tree is a type of self-balancing tree data structure that allows efficient access, insertion, and deletion of data items. B trees are commonly used in database and the file system where they can efficiently store and retrieve large amount of data. B plus tree, that is A B plus tree is a variation of B tree that is optimized for use in file system and databases. Like B tree, a B plus tree also has a fixed maximum degree and allows efficient access, insertion and deletion of data items. Segment tree, a computer science, a segment tree also known as a statistic tree is a tree data structure used for storing information about intervals or segments. It allows querying which of the stored segments contains a given point. A segment tree for a set 1 L and n intervals uses O, that is n log n storage, and can be built in O, that is log n time. This is a segment tree. Here in this section, you have to remember some names as it is. That means it's mostly this video is a theoretical part. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.